The energy that is able to create miracles is, I believe, the same energy that I saw at the apex of the portal to heaven, which appeared to be heaven's very threshold, being a golden cloud. Now, if a cloud is just water vapor, and it's been imbued with a higher state of energy, very similar to sunlight, but more potent, then it may stand to reason that when I was on the bridge of sleep and awake, but definitely awake, and I felt this golden humming energy in my throat, as we talk, we dry our throat out, so our throat is constantly collecting moisture from the body to irrigate itself. So it functions as a water collector. Now, if it can be projected by the voice, it's possible that it can be collected in the body and then used externally, projected into other things, say the sick, or the possessed, or the afflicted. Or even maybe directly into water that one is holding, to turn it not into red wine, but white wine. Now, that's, I think, quite important to think about, because the things that we don't question often hide a lot of truth in them. Sacramental wine is almost always red wine, and we like that association because it's closer to the blood of Christ. But hold on a second. The blood has two components, the red blood and the white blood. And we know when Christ died and his side was split with a spear, the living waters came out in two distinct qualities. So, white wine is gold. And for us, for the energy to be projected at its most basic level, yeah, it might have turned the water gold and given it the quality and taste of wine. But here's another interesting thing that it's kind of hard to say because it sounds funny and it sounds like I'm joking, but when I was urinating and staring straight ahead, at one point I looked down and it seemed to me as if one of my urine droplets had been hanging motionless. And about a second after I looked at it is when it moved. And it made me think that if that is water stilled, then perhaps stilling water beneath one's feet is how Jesus walked on water.